Today we have an important press meet. As you all know, Party IPFT, member of Central Committee Conference was just end. That is 2 days conference, 12 and 13 February 2022. This MCC conference was conducted periodically, once in 6 months or emergency anytime, to discuss the various issues of our party. And these 2 days discussion in the conference, we have come out some point of agenda, some resolution have taken place, and this resolution I want to highlight through my dear friend. One resolution have passed that since Party IPFT Central Committee tenure is is already due for 3 years. Coming March 5th and 6th March, we're going to convene state level annual conference of IPFT, which is very important. This was announced today. And secondly, Party IPFT decided that our MLA and ministers will give deputation to our governor and chief ministers, and will submit a memorandum, and this memorandum will be sent to Delhi to our Home Ministers Prime Minister Modi and Prime Minister. This memorandum is yet to be drafted, and very shortly we are going to have deputation our governor and chief minister of Tripura. That's all decided today's meeting. And thirdly, central gathering of IPFT will be announced very shortly. And to strengthen our party, district-wise gathering, we have 8 districts in Tripura. So Party IPFT will organize district-wise gathering to strengthen our party. These are our decision. So the few resolutions we have taken, and hopefully our resolution will be taken care of by our party. And I believe the BJP government of Tripura will be listening to us. And as you all know, we have various issues and demand. We have met several times with our Home Minister and Prime Minister, and also BJP President J.P. Nadda ji, and we highlighted our demand. Our 1 number demand is, as you all know, creation of a statehood, Tripura land based on schedule area of Tripura. This is our prime demand. And side by side, we have submitted memorandum to strengthen our TTADC, to convert TTC, Tripura Territorial Council, and also amendment, 125 amendment bill, also in due. So all these issues we have submitted several times to Indian government, but decision is not to be taken, yet to be taken. These are the agenda today we have discussed. And our MCC conference is very fruitful, 2 days conference. We have taken report from grassroots level, from division level, and we have got report. There are some divisions are weak, some divisions are very strong. So there are mixed report we got. But I believe, our party believe, still our leaders is intact. Our leaders is really determining, and very shortly we are going to organize our movement and our program. Today we have discussed thoroughly, and all our cadres, all our volunteers and supporters and like-minded organization and also our allied organization also present today. So this is a very fruitful MCC conference, and in very short period of time, you will see the activities of IPFT. Thank you. Let us see what will be going to happen. But since IPFT is in a partner government, allied government with BJP, so we'll think and react. But still there is a time. But every minute, every second, we are observing the situation. That will be decided shortly. And let us first have submit a memorandum to our Chief Minister and Governor of Tripura. And hopefully, time bound is not given, but very soon, very soon, this will be decided by our party. Chini media friend don't know. Chini party ni ongoi, sing jatono lamsogo te hambai ro. Sing Salnwini Chini MCC conference tabun paigo. Sing protected division ni report sing nakha. Jatono saimano Chini MCC conference 6 mas por khaijago. Jora nangha ke sing emergency bi khlayo. Tini 34 division tong Chini IPFT ni all over Tripura. Maximum attend khaikha. Tini MCC member ni sing report nakha. Te division wise sing report nakha. Sing report mamani porego sing tini sing division nakha. Chini party IPFT biskang salo tam khlainai. Awa sing division nakha. Ek number sing division nakha Chini phainai March 5 tarikh 2022 Chini state conference sing khlainai. Sing saima Chini party IPFT 2019 sing khajagmani 3 বছর ngi thangka diungka abagoi sing Chini party ni guideline mote 3 বছর por sing state conference ma khlai. Abagoi sing 3 disonaka sing March 5 6 tarikh sing Chini state conference sing khlainai. Tei sing secondly sing nakha sing immediately Chini party hoite Chini MLA ro sing deputation nai Tripura ni governor tei chief minister no sing deputation nai aro sing kawang Chini deputation tam ka suye sing sulene abo tei sing immediately Chini state conference ni bagai Chini party ro sing division level sing guri nai sing potra khainai Chini party tei ragrona bagai sing district wise sing gathering khainai last moment ka sing state level sing gathering khlainai abo Chini party ro sing strong khainai bagai sing tabo omo activities sing chalawnai sing saimana Chini party IPFT takphone karak tongkho sing report makha all division level of tabun karak tongkho Chini neta rok intact tongkho kung loria kho masamosu lorekha kitu amna sing tak fill up khlainai tei sing Chini MCC o sing disonakha je Chini gap tangmani Chini by 74 Chini tongo CC member amna sing fill up khlainai angkha kago Chini report ni mote Chini kaham respond makha sing throughout the state ni borok phaikha por report sing makha takphano sing saimano Chini party IPFT krak tongkho agen hain tongkho tamang kheba sing bastovno sing magosenai ADC election mani porego Chini masabor sing MLA pass thali MDC pass thali aboni bagai kichi chachin borok Chini kormi rok hisab khat thaikha ke durbolongka abono sing hain hai revive khna bagai sing khlai tongo sing khlainai overall sing discussion ka te kabang sing opinion has a democratic party sing jotto grassroots level hoide sing report nago bor grievances sing khnago mon opinion sing share khlayo Chini bise kabang Chini like minded organization tongo te Chini allied organization Chini tongo Chini youth IPFT IWFT Atisa Chini fan track bodol te Chini kabang Chini kormachari সংগঠন te kabang NGOs boro attend khaikha sing jotto salaika kham salai sing public hoide sing share khlaikha free discussion khlailaikha aboni bagai ang khakao takphano Chini party IPFT karang tongkho Chini bobishyoto tamang ye sing salai jagia abo sing Chini buskango Chini strategy sing tori khaina nai aboni bagai ang khakao Chini 2 din conference MC conference belai successful belai mochangkha tei जों जत्तन तब खा थांजाक जों ग्रासरुट लेभेलनि लिडार रक tei सेन्ट्रेल लेभेल लिडार रक जोंनि एमएलए रक जत्तन जों थानसा दङ जों कराक दङ आबोगे जों बेलायनि दिनै आंनि कर्मी रकनो आंनि साबुता रकनो दिनै सारा दिपर बर' फायनो आं पाइप्लाय हामबाय tei media friend रकनो आं जत्तन पार्टी नंगै आं निजे नंगै आं जत्तन हामबाय पाइप्लाय मारो खुलुमखा
अच्छा सर बफ्रो नो डेपुटेसन नै तामनो बगैर नै पम हाके इशु साइदिङ
डेपुटेसन तो दिनै कम दाबि दङ आग्रि दाबि जोंग्रिनाय
जाति प्रारल नते
दिनै दाबि तो तिप्रालन दाबि दङ दङ tei दिनै 125 एमेन्डमेन्ट बिल रलाय टीटीसी नि बांगै जोंग्रिनाय बे कम इशु तै जों आबोरिनाय दिनै मेन टारगेट तो दिनै तिप्रालन दाबि किन्तु इन मीन टाइम दिनै ताबक अलरेडी कैबिनेट पास खाइजाक बिल पास खाइजाक एसेम्बली बिल पास खाइजाक ताबा बिल पेंडिंग दङ दि दिल्लीगो पार्लियामेन्ट पेंडिंग दङ अ बिल न जों बाखलाय पास खाइरनाय आबोनो जों चेष्टा खालायनाय
सर अ तालनि बिसंदर नै ना बम हाय
अ तालनि बिसंदर नै भेरी सुन माने इमिडिएटलि जों रेडाय